Hello guys, don't buy Girafit 3MP 2K window camera before watching this video. This camera is sold as a window-mounted Wi-Fi security cam with features like 2K resolution video, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, person and motion detection, Chromax AI color night vision, and 24/7 recording to either a micro SD card or optional cloud service. The manufacturer and manuals confirm these basic specs and setup process, with app control and alerts included, legitimate signals and real buyer feedback. The product does exist and appears in multiple retailer listings and user reviews, for example, on TikTok, Shop, and Amazon, often with well-rated feedback from verified buyers. Many users say it's easy to install, records clear imagery day and night, and its motion, person detection alerts work reliably. Reviews on those channels often highlight solid performance at its price range and good clarity through Windows. Points of caution. There are some unofficial criticisms circulating, for example, on Reddit, suggesting that a few ads or site descriptions resemble generic off-brand camera listings that reuse similar text or branding, something common in low-cost security camera marketing. So it's worth verifying the exact seller and app name before buying. Some reviewers also note limitations typical of budget window cams, occasional app glitches, unnecessary triggers from minor motion, and extra fees for cloud storage, since local microSD storage is often preferred. Verdict: the Girafit 3MP 2K window camera isn't a scam in the sense of a fake or non-existent product. It's a legitimate functioning Wi-Fi camera with verified buyers reporting real results. Thank you for watching this video.